I welcome you to Math in a Minute. My name is George Kantrefi. Yes, for this particular question, in our previous lesson, we used difference of two squares in solving it, right? Yes, we are going to use the normal method also in solving to see whether we arrive at the same answer. If you did not watch our previous lesson, I would advise you to visit my various social media platforms. On TikTok, I'm Jokan_Jokan. On YouTube, I'm Jokan TV. On Facebook, I'm Jokan Educational Channel. Yes, and you'll find the method one on these platforms. So let's tackle it. Let's have our solution nicely written over there. Good. Solution simply means how you solve it. Now let's have the question written. 4b is equal to 5 raised to the power 2 minus 3 raised to the power 2. Nicely written over there. So we have 4b is equal to 5 raised to the power 2 is what? 5 multiplying itself what? Twice. That's in this is 5 times 5, which will give us what? 25. Now 3 raised to the power 2 means 3 multiplying itself twice. That's 3 times what? 3, which is what? 9. Good. Now what do we have? We have 4b is equal to 25 minus 9 will give us 16. Good. Now remember we are finding the value of b. And what do you have closer to b? 4. So what it means that divide both sides of the equation by 4 so that b can be alone. Okay. So let's write it again. 4b is equal to 16 divided by 4 divided by 4. Now 4 cancels 4. Now 4 will go into 16 how many times? 4, 4, 16, and 4 will go into itself what? 1. So what it means that b will be equal to 4 over 1. And in math, any number over 1 at all is the same as that number. So 4 over 1 is the same as what? 4. So the value of b is equal to 4. Yes, you can check. In our previous edition or lesson where we used the difference of two squares, the value of b was also 4. This shows that math is about just following simple principles. Yes, this brings us to the end of today's lesson. I will advise you to visit my various social media platforms. On TikTok, I'm Jokan_Jokan. Follow my page, share, recommend it to others, okay? Now, on YouTube, I'm Jokan TV, a Jokan Educational Channel. On Facebook, also, I'm Jokan TV, Solve Math, Jokan or Jokan Educational Channel. All these are platforms you can find me. So we meet again. It's adios.